Welcome to learnatool.com. Today we are here to learn a powerful tool from the book which improves your life immediately. The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. You can note the description for some useful links and consider subscribing this channel if it adds value to you. This book deserves to be a part in your library. The link is given in the description to purchase it. Hal Elrod was a top salesman in his company. He performed well in all the aspects of his life. He was also very happy. One day when he returned after providing a speech as usual, he met a serious accident. He went to coma stage due to that accident. He recovered his consciousness after 6 days. Doctors report that his brain has damaged severely and they said that he won't walk anymore. Hal Elrod became very sad on hearing this. The doctors said that it is impossible to come out of this situation. But he proved that the doctor's opinion was wrong. His mentor taught him that whatever happen in our life, we should not bother more than 5 minutes for it. Within 5 minutes, we can cry or bother to the maximum and then approach the day positively. Hal followed the same. He accepted the situation instead of worrying. The doctor's report is only about the walk, and he decided to be a happiest person in wheelchair. He decides to prove the doctors that he can walk. Due to this attitude, he loses his stress. He began to be happy and due to this he began to walk within 3 weeks. His life became normal after he start walking. He start earning money and he happily marry a woman and start living a normal life. He faced his next tough situation in his economy due to the economic crash in 2007-2008. His business vanished overnight. He said that this phase in his life was worse disaster than anything. He became poor day by day. Her wife suggests him to consult her friend who is doing good even in this economic crash. Hal Elrod accepts that and met him and asked for the business tips. He said that he doesn't need any business tips and asked him to simply follow 2 steps. He asked Hal to do exercise in the morning and as the second step, he suggests Hal to read a self-improvement book. Hal doesn't like his advice in the beginning, but he doesn't hesitate it. He obeys his advice. While doing these steps, Hal felt some positive changes in his life. Because when he did his important work in the morning, it helps to improve his efficiency. When he realizes that, he has decided to follow 6 habits to get improvement in all his aspects. Let's have a brief outline of these morning 6 habits. Before following the 6 morning habits, the author was in $50,000 debt. He was in the situation to sell this house and unhealthy too. His income gets double in just 2 months after following the 6 morning steps. He didn't sell his house and he improved his health too. He also ran a marathon and become happy. Do you remember the doctor's report when he met an accident? They said that he can't even walk, but he ran a marathon. On seeing this, the author feels like a miracle, and this is the reason for the name of this book is Miracle Morning. To become a successful person, you can follow the 6 steps in the morning. He formed an acronym to remember these steps. It is SAVERS. The first habit is silence. He means the prayer or meditation. Most of the people start getting lot or information from their phone immediately after getting up in the morning and receiving tension from the world and start worrying. But the habit of successful people is that they enter into silent mode immediately waking up in the morning through meditation or prayer. This helps their brain to be calm and relaxed throughout the day. The brain will be in peak performance when we are in meditation. Initially, the author thought that the silence belongs to the spiritual category. When he realizes that the silence is the reason for the success for the successful people, he starts to follow it. For the peak performance of the brain, most of the souls will practice meditation. The second habit is affirmation. Affirmation is nothing but the positive statement. We can achieve easily when we keep repeating the positive affirmation regularly. When we repeat the same thing regularly, it will register in our subconscious mind easily. For instance, if we repeat the words as I am confident regularly, the subconscious mind starts believing it and converts us into a real confident person soon. The third habit is visualization. It is similar to affirmation. You need to visualize the goal like that it is already achieved. For example, if you wish to buy a Rolls-Royce car, you need to visualize that you are buying that car and driving it. The fourth habit is exercise. It is scientifically proven that the physical exercise is good for body as well as for our mind. The brain receives more oxygen while doing physical exercise, which releases endorphin from our brain. You will feel better and think better throughout the day, and the energy level will be high. It is not mandatory to get into gym every day. We can do exercise in our house like skipping and walking. If we exercise for just 1 minute, our energy level will be multiplied by 10 times. The fifth habit is reading. Author doesn't mean the newspaper reading, but the books which improve us in any mean. We need to improve our life by applying it, is like the recommended books in this channel which improves you. The sixth habit is scribing. Scribing means writing our goals every day in the diary. The magic will happen when we write the goals every day. If we write our goals every day, the chances are very high to achieve it. The chairman of Virgin Group's Mr. Richard Branson says that the habit of writing goals every day is the reason for him to become a billionaire. Your important goals, thoughts and ideas should be written in your goal book. This simple habit will help you to achieve your goals. Don't be lazy to maintain your goal book, and don't use the devices to note it. Physical book is more important to note your ideas. These are some glimpses of the powerful book The Miracle Morning. You can purchase this book from the below description. To get more glimpses of such useful books, please note the description below. Subscribe this channel, and if you feel it is useful for your friend, you can share.